Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking iCloud and connectivity. Open Settings and tap your name to confirm iCloud Drive is enabled. This links your files to the device. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is on so the drive can sync. Now open the Files app from your home screen. This is the hub for iCloud Drive. You're taking action now so you can access documents. The Files app shows iCloud Drive as a location ready to browse. Once inside Files, tap Browse at the bottom, then look under Locations for iCloud Drive and tap it. That exposes your folders and synced items. Use the search bar to quickly locate file names or open Recent to see recently updated documents. Tap a file to open it and long press to reveal actions like Share, Duplicate, Move, or Tag. Make sure to wait briefly if a file shows a cloud icon. It may need to download before you can open it. To finish, tap Files with a cloud icon to download them locally. Opening a file forces sync and ensures you can edit offline. When you edit, iCloud Drive automatically updates the stored version, so make sure autosave happens by keeping the app open briefly. If a file doesn't appear, sign out and back into iCloud or check iCloud storage in Settings. Low storage stops syncing. If issues persist, toggle iCloud Drive off and on, then reconnect to Wi-Fi to retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.